Hi friends, good morning. It is me Syed Bilal, Academic Counselor of IGNO Study Center, Vadakanjeri. Now we are going to discuss about the relation of sociology with anthropology. Let us discuss what are the similarities between anthropology and sociology in the view of some of the scholars. According to Fraser, anthropology is branch of sociology. Sociology is a general science of society, but social anthropology is restricted to origin and childhood of human society. So we know that sociology is the science of society. It is a scientific study of social phenomena. But anthropology is confined into the study of the origin and childhood of human society. Okay, next let us discuss about the opinion of Radcliffe Brown. According to Radcliffe Brown, social anthropology search for a particular event, but sociology searches for the entire social processes and the social laws. Okay, next we can discuss about the opinion of Evans Pritchard. According to him, anthropology is the study of the primitive societies. It is only confined into the primitive societies, their origins, their way of life. But sociology is studying about the contemporary society and the current social events in relation to historical background. Friends, let us discuss the differences between sociology and anthropology. First one, sociology studies about society, but anthropology studies about man and his origin. Meaning that sociology is the study of society, but anthropology studies about the man and his origin. Next difference is that sociology has a deep root in philosophy. We know that Auguste Comte was a philosopher, French philosopher, but anthropology has no root in philosophical thoughts. Next one, sociology emerged in 18th century as a result of scientific and intellectual revolution, but anthropology emerged in 16th century itself. Next we discuss the fourth one. We discuss anthropology was confined many centuries ago in the non-European countries. Anthropologists were engaging the study of the non-European countries, non-European illiterate societies. But sociology's scope is very vast and wide. It is studying about the entire social processes. Next we study what is the difference between the method of sociology and anthropology. The method of sociology is quantitative, like we conduct studies using the questionnaire, surveys, etc. But method of anthropology is qualitative. Okay. Relation of history with sociology. At first, what is history? History is the study of past, and it studies the cause and effect of past events. Next we can discuss about the similarity between history and sociology. Sociology studies current social issues in relation to historical background. So sociology not only study the social issues but the historical background of the social issue also. And history focuses on the past events as well as the historical background, social background of the past. So there is a similarity. Another point, sociology depends on history. Sociology depends on history to know the past. What are the past events? And history also depends on sociology to know the social background. Another one, sociology studies both past and present, but history studies the past events and its causes and effects. Okay friends, next we can discuss the differences between history and sociology. What are the differences between history and sociology? Sociologist concerns with past and primary data, but historians concerned with the past and secondary data. Another difference, historians collect concrete data, but sociologists collects the hypothesis. It is not concrete and exact. Next one, historians collect exact time and data of an event, but sociologist seeks generalized uniformities or laws. Next one, scope of sociology is vast, but scope of history is somewhat narrow in relation with the sociology. Relationship between psychology and sociology. At first, let us discuss about the psychology. The word psychology derived from two words, two Greek words. First one, psyche. Psyche means soul. Next one, logos. Logos means study. So, psychology is the study of soul. And what is the definition of psychology? Psychology is the systematic study of individual's behavior and attitude. Next we can discuss about the definition of sociology. What is sociology? It is the study of human life, social relations, and every aspect of society as a whole. So psychology is the study of individual and sociology is the study of society as a whole. Okay. Next we discuss about the similarities between sociology and psychology. The first one, subject matter of psychology is individual's behavior. The subject matter of psychology is individual's behavior. But subject matter of sociology is social environment, collectiveness and togetherness. Second one, both disciplines use quantitative methods as well as qualitative methods. In order to get data, they use qualitative method and quantitative methods. Third one, both the discipline conduct observation method, middle range theory of Merton. Fourth one, to study a group dynamic. Both disciplines have a common interest in the various types of group. Both discipline has a common interest to study the various types of group in order to study the changes happened between two groups. Fifth one, psychology studies the individual behavior in a group, but sociology analyzes the social aspect of an individual's behavior in a social aspect, in a social framework. Between economics with sociology. At first, what is economics? Economics is the study of consumption, production and distribution, and the action of acquiring resources and spending is called economic activity. So economics is producing something and distributing something and consuming or purchasing something. Suppose we are producing something, it is sold, it is consumed by the consumers. It is called economics. And we study what are the similarities between economics and sociology. The first similarity is that both subjects face the common social problem. Both subjects face the common social problem. Suppose if we have no money, what happened? There will be unemployment, there will be child labor, there will be inequality. All types of inequalities will be there if the distribution of wealth is not equal. And another similarity, both sociologists and economics depend on each other to analyze social economic data. Both sociologists and economists have to depend each other because the sociology and economics is interrelated. Another similarity, economics is a branch of sociology. Sociology conduct study on economic changes in a society in general. Okay. Next, between sociology and economics. Economics studies about wealth, but sociology studies about society. Second one, economics is an older subject, but sociology emerged recently as a science. Next one, economics is studying about the concrete things, but sociology studies the all aspects of society or the abstract things. Next one, sociology deals all aspects of society. Economics deals specific aspect, that is monetary economy. Fifth one, economics deals economic aspects of individual. But sociology deals all aspects of the individual and society. Sixth one, individual's economy is preferred in economics, but social activity is preferred in sociology. About the relations of sociology with political science. At first, let us discuss the definition of political science. What is political science? It is a scientific study of state, government, and power. And what is the definition of sociology? Sociology is the scientific study of social phenomena, social institutions. So there is difference between sociology and politics. Politics is the study of power, government, etc. But sociology is the study of society, scientific study of society and social phenomena. And now let us discuss the similarities between political science and sociology. Political science lies upon the sociology for its theories. The theories and methods used in sociology is widely used by political science. Second one, subject matter of both borrowed from similar subjects. The subject matter of sociology and politics is borrowed from the same subjects, similar subjects such as economics, history, anthropology, etc. Third one, sociology deals with the social institutions such as family, government, marriage, etc. But political science deals with the various and different forms of power. Fourth one, when a political change occurs in a society, definitely there will be a social change. Likewise, when a social change occurs as a result of a political change, when a political change happens, there will be a social change. When a social change happens, there will be a political change. Last one, both subjects deal with social issues as a criterion for their study. So sixth one, we can say that politics and sociology is inseparable.